that shirt. Yes, sir. Yeah. Big boss status. My cuz finna come help me out. Finna get this Parisienne cleaned up a little bit. I already got his page, Mr. WH1. Y'all know who he is. Pretty sure y'all checked out that Regal before. Checked out that man Regal. LS Jeff about to have him running. But you got that 6.0 with all that cam and all that stuff, cuz. 6.0 in heels. I just did this for my birthday, but we finna redo the Parisienne. But it was fast. We gonna get it together. Get the headline done. Right now, finna let my cuz do his thing. Put this together for y'all. Y'all tap in. But already looking better. You still ain't the top of the league, right? Not lately. I'm gonna reach back out. Right now we just doing the vacuum and we letting the degrees and stuff soak in. Right. Bro finna hit it with that drill. It's already looking good. Came through with that tornado and all that stuff. I know it's gonna take a couple of times, but y'all gonna see the transformation though. How we do our little thing. Cause you're gonna have to hire me as your helper in a little bit, bro. You can't be doing all these calls by yourself. Making all the money on. Hey, if y'all in the city, go to Fashion Planes. Look up Fashion Planes on IG. All the latest styles, fly stuff, design stuff, you know. That's my cousin right there, Winnie the Pooh Shiesty. Y'all know what it is, man. Little Stoney out the north, bossed up. Soapy mobile details. Cuz started off, Cuz got that Jay Leno. Cuz got the Jay Leno. Jay Leno stuff up in this joint, you know what I'm saying? Boy ain't playing around. Boy ain't playing around. I like it. I like it a lot.
So how long were y'all in Greenville for?
We was there almost about 2 years.
Oh, okay, excellent, very nice.
Yeah. It was doing pretty good. I had got my dealer's license and got a shop, started paying
that's excellent.
rent just like a lot cheaper and stuff down there.
I can imagine, yeah, definitely.
I mean, everything else is still expensive, but
right.
I mean, if you can get some cheaper rent,
that's the name.
Yeah, you can save a lot of money. So
Sure.
that's so we was down there, but came back here. So.
Very cool.
But yeah, do you go there sometime?
Occasionally, yes, sir. Yeah, I pass through. So my territories for this job is basically Texas, Oklahoma, and Louisiana. So
yeah,
you name it, I've been there.
Yeah.
But it's funny. Some of these Texas towns you hear about it, but you don't really know exactly where it is on a map until you look it up. You're like, oh, that's near that town. The major towns.
Yeah.
Like Houston. Houston is so large, but there's Katy, Texas, which is basically Houston.
Yeah. Yeah, I had to go in the house, stop, and I showed y'all that where I was in there doing with Tia. She was getting her heart checked. You know what I'm saying? That's just a little glimpse on what I be doing when I ain't messing with car stuff. I'm a nurse, basically, 24/7, taking care of my daughter. So I do this stuff for fun, but I like making money too. Well, of course we make money. But, man, he's sitting up there trying to get them clean. I told him, boy, we ain't getting them carpets clean on the first time. These carpets 40 years old. She's 39 years old. And I'm telling what they got. But they look better. They look a whole lot better. The interior not bad. So that's why I'm just chilling. I'm gonna get the interior done and stuff like that. We got an interior dude and interior lady. So that's not no big thing right there. We ain't tripping. Boy bought so much stuff, the boy ain't sent that boy a hat. That ain't no cheap, that ain't no bad hat neither, boy. That's a dope hat too, you know what I'm saying? So that's how you know you spending money with them, when they see you a hat like that. You know what I'm saying? Straight up, man. Yeah, it's going down. Soapy detail, man. Going down. Now we working the seats, he working the interior. Boy doing magic. I don't know what his expectations is, but I know this car old. He trying to, I don't know, show you how, like, you know, I'm on the camera, but.
Get this middle part for him. You see the difference from this and that one?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's just a clip.
Bro, your show been the one that's hot. Yeah. Right.
Hey y'all, this is a little bit of the after. This is the first round. Looks amazing. Gonna let this dry a couple of weeks, about a week or so, and hit it. But a lot of this, it's gonna be even cleaner when it dry, and then I come through and vacuum. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Original interior not too bad. That's what we discussing right now. I got plenty of plugs, plenty of connections, so deciding if we want to get the interior done or if we can live with it. If we can do it ourselves or something, you know. Thank y'all for tuning in. It's a special episode just for my cousin again. Soapy detail. Mobile detail, Mr. WH1, coming live in effect. Thank y'all, salute y'all, tap in.